Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing my first Macy's beauty box. It's the box for November 2020. That sounds interesting, stick around. First, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. The Macy's beauty box had been stopped for a time due to the situation of the world, but they restarted it last month, and I saw some people unbox it, and it was a great box, and I was really like, I gotta get in on this. They got a full box. It was like a box takeover by the fragrance brand Jo Malone. They got all these fragrance samples, so I was like, okay, that's a great box for $15 a month. I gotta get in on this. So I subscribed right away, and but I didn't get the October box. I started with November. For $15 a month, the promises are a chic beauty pouch. There's a reason I'm putting things in air quotes. We'll talk about them later. But yes, a chic beauty pouch, 5 deluxe samples from the best brands, plus 1 bonus, a $5 coupon off your next Macy's beauty purchase, sometimes more. It does say it's deluxe samples, so you know what I'm getting into. And you guys who've been around a while know how I'm going to handle that. I'm going to go out and figure out what it is. They don't promise a monthly value to the box. They did in the insert, it does say that it has an $87 value. This month's theme is post-workout wonders. When you open the box, it falls apart. It's not a box. It automatically opens up. So most of the products are wrapped in tissue. And then we have this, which we'll talk about in a minute. I do have one product that's outside, and then at the bottom, this is the flyer for this month's box, and we'll talk about this in a second. Then I also have a card here that says, oops. Literally, oops. We had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that. But don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. So, the insert has a list of everything that you should be getting, and there are photos of the full size, and some descriptions, and some pro tips. There is a $5 off discount card. On the back it says, open, have fun, repeat, your monthly beauty fix is here. We've chosen the top brands and essential items the beauty obsessed can't live without. Try them now, love them forever. It says this month's box is the perfect lineup for a refresh when you need it most, from Pro Glow skincare to minimalist makeup essentials and more. Anyway, okay, first, promise number 1, a chic beauty pouch. That's this. Yeah. I love tie-dye. I was born in the 60s, child of the 70s, love me some tie-dye. This would be a cute go into the farmer's market bag, go into the beach bag. It is sort of nylon-y, you can hear that sound. The bag, in my opinion, because I have a little bit of hippie in me, or a little bit of flower child in me, however you want to say it, I think it's adorable. Is it chic? Not in my opinion. Does it qualify as a beauty pouch? Yeah, I gotta give that a great big no. So, I'm not unhappy with it. I actually probably would get more use out of this than I would out of another little makeup bag, but this was hint number 1 that things were about to go terribly awry. The first product I have here is from SK2, and this is Facial Treatment Essence. I'm not unhappy about the brand, even a little bit. It's a powerful treatment essence, dubbed Miracle Water in Asia. Each bottle contains 90% of something called pitera, which is a natural ingredient cultured exclusively in Japan for the brand. Yeah, but I was actually supposed to have gotten SK2 RNA Power Radical New Age Cream. Now that's a $235 cream. Now I have no idea what size sample I would have gotten, but that was the product I was supposed to get. At least it's the same brand. This is sold in 3 sizes at Macy's, maybe sold in other sizes other places, but I used Macy's as a basis for this because it's their beauty box. The smaller, the 5.4 fluid ounce, is $185, so this 30 milliliter sample would have a value of $34.26. I can't be mad at that. Would I have liked to try the Radical New Age Cream? Yeah, but I'm not mad about the essence. Our next product is from, I'm going to butcher this. High school French was a long time ago, and even then, my French was really bad. Jean-Paul Gaultier? How'd I do? This is, okay, so fragrance sample. So far, so good. It's Le Male Eau de Toilette. This is a men's fragrance sample. Jean-Paul Gaultier pays tribute to a symbolic figure who has long been a source of inspiration, the sailor. A reassuring fragrance with extremely modern trail, power and freshness of mint and lavender, evoking the familiar, comforting scent of shaving soap, transformed by the sensuality of vanilla. This fragrance is sold in 3 sizes at Macy's. The 2.5 fluid ounce sells for $73, so this 1.5 milliliter or 0.05 fluid ounce sample is worth about $1.46. Next we have another fragrance sample, and this is from, and forgive me if I'm pronouncing this wrong because it's not a brand I'm familiar with, is it MUGLER? Or MUGLER? MUGLER? Somebody tell me down below. This is, here we go with the French again, Angèle au Criosiere Eau de Toilette. This is a new, and I swear to God this is their description, a new juicy eau de toilette warmed by the sun. It's an exotic escape from the norm. A full size of this would be 50 milliliters or 1.7 ounces and retail for $84. This is a 1.2 milliliter sample, so the value on this is $2.02. Okay, so our next one is from DERMABLEND, and this is the loose setting powder, which they say totally translucent. This powder works with any and every shade of foundation and will look your look, I'm assuming they meant lock your look, into place. A full size would be 28 grams and retail for $29. It does come in 4 shades. We got the original, which is the translucent, but look how itty bitty that is. So that sample is 3 grams, so it's got a value of about $3.11. From Tan Towel, and this is the Half Body Tan Towelette for fair to medium skin tones. So, and it is a half body tan, as I said. This one, I don't know, I guess maybe some people do tan in the winter. I just thought this seemed like a really odd time for this. And if it's a half body tan, what do you do with the other half of your body? Anyway, a full size of this is 10 towelettes and retails for $24. So a single towel, which is what we got, is about $2.40. Our next one is from PYT Beauty, and it is Plumping Gloss. And speaking of itty bitty, I think the fragrance sample might be bigger than this. A full size would be 0.2 ounces and retail for $15. This is 0.08 ounces. Value on this is $6. The next item from the Macy's Beauty Box is a pair of JOCKEY Truefit Promise One Size Fits Most Hipster underwear. I would not lie to you about this. I looked at this and had some very non-Disney language. This is available actually in 2 sizes, which is why I was calling it, they call it the one size in the description. but they actually have two sizes. They have small to large or extra large to 2X. We got the small to large, which fits dress sizes 4 to 14. Leave it to great fitting lingerie for a boost of confidence, and these super stretchy bikini cut panties are the perfect place to start. Since when are jockey one size fits most underwear lingerie? That's my first question. My second question is, why are you sending underwear to me in my beauty box? Even if it fit me, it's weird. I'm sorry. Does this belong in a beauty box? Retail on this is $11.50. I got $11 worth of underwear, but they couldn't spare the makeup products in my beauty box. Just saying. There's one item that is on the card that I didn't get. And then there's this. Now, I'm not sure if this is my bonus item, or if one of these is supposed to, like maybe the fragrance sample is my bonus item, and this is my replacement. That's the way I'm looking at it. But back to I got the Macy's box from the Twilight Zone. Per the card, the product we should have gotten, or I should have gotten, was a sample of a product by the brand Anthony called No Sweat Body Defense. Now, Anthony is a luxury men's skincare line, and I'm going to read you what's in here, and then I'm going to read you what I found out about the product. So, it says it's designed for men but barred by women. This cream helps protect against chafing with tapioca starch, aloe vera, and vitamin E. This is apparently a talc-free cream-to-powder anti-chafing product designed for men to be used, and this is a quote from Down Under. Anthony's website doesn't say anything about women using it, nor does Dermstore or Nordstrom or any of the other websites where I was able to find Anthony's product line and this product in particular. I don't know what size we would have gotten. A full size would be 3 ounces and retail for $20. But again, why am I getting men's no junk chafing cream to powder whatever in a beauty box? What I'm assuming is my replacement item, because it's the only one that wasn't on my card. Although that would mean that there were actually 2 oopses because of the SK2, if you remember. But anyway, instead of the chafing cream, men's chafing cream, I got from STRIVECTIN the Skin Reset sample. Now, this Skin Reset is a 4-week intensive skin rejuvenation system. Consists of 4 products. When you get the whole kit, you get 4 bottles. You use each bottle for 1 week, day and night. They give you 9 milliliters of each of the products, and the whole system retails for $139, but you use each product for a week, and then over the period of the 4 weeks, you're supposed to, have rejuvenating skin. We got 1 sample of each of the products. So we got 1 milliliter of each, which, if you do the math, is $15.44 worth of product. But we all know, if we've been watching YouTube for a while, we've learned that you don't use a product once and see any benefit from it. Usually they say you've got to use a product for 3 or 4 weeks before you're going to see any benefits. So I don't understand what the purpose is of try out 1 use of each of a product that you're normally supposed to use twice a day for 4 weeks. It just seems pointless to me. So, thanks, I guess. So that was the Macy's beauty box for November 2020. So yeah, the subscription promises 5 deluxe samples plus a bonus and a bag, a chic beauty bag for $15. And they claim that this whole thing was an $87 value. By my math, and you know, I'll put my math up against theirs, I come up with $76.19 plus the chic beauty bag. So either this sample that I was supposed to get of the Down There Chafing Cream for men and the SK2 RNA cream were worth a whole lot more than the Essence and the STRIVECTIN samples, or again, they're jacking up the prices on samples, which we've seen in other boxes. Anyway, was this a beauty box? Was I punked? Is underwear an appropriate item for a beauty subscription box? I mean, is any clothing item appropriate? And trying to claim that this is lingerie that's gonna make you feel good? I mean, come on. However, the men's anti-junk chafing cream, is that a beauty item? Oh, men, if I have any men watching this who are, you know, there are plenty of men in the beauty space. There are plenty of men who wear makeup and who wear everything else. Would you consider anti-chafing designed for down there, as they put it, a beauty item? Who put this together and said, now that's a beauty box? That's something people are going to get excited about. You know, it's the kind of thing that I looked at and said, this is the kind of thing that a disgruntled employee puts together on their last day right before they give the boss the finger and quit. This is not a beauty box. I'm not saying I didn't get my money's worth. I mean, this product alone is worth more than my $15, but to call it a beauty box? Leave your comments down in the comments section. Tell me if I'm insane. Okay, leave your comments down in the comments section whether or not I'm crazy, because yeah, I'm a little off right now. But let me know what you think. Is it just me? Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or at least you found it entertaining. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. Thank you. Seriously, thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe and be kind to yourself. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.